Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you new construction. Here's the common area in 2019. Got new flower pots in 2019. Got a brand new walkway for 2019. All nice and paved. Looks a little bit better than last year. And new windows are installed on this building now. All the way down. None there. Those windows are pretty cool. A lot different now. This fencing is surrounding the walk area here. And yes, I'm going to show you something right now. That is a 4-panel digital license box. These fences are at least 10 feet tall, 10-foot fences. There's the front of the school right there. There's the main entrance where cars come in and out. I'm gonna go take you to the gazebo. So yeah, I just want to show you some new updates on Mitchell Community College and the renovation. So yes, here's A and B parking. On this side, if you come this way, we got brand new windows over here. See, a brand new window. 3 of them actually. And there's the building over there. All windows are brand new windows down here, the side of the building. The brick looks a little bit better over here. Another new window. Like I said, there's 3 of them. There's 4 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 brand new windows on the side of this campus right here. As you know, nice looking. There's grass available. If you go beyond here, there's another window down there, but there's a new one too. So yes. And yes, we got a new gazebo. It's brand new. They just painted it yesterday. I had the painting crew come out. Here's me in the gazebo. We have access to the road too, so front and back exits. There's the A parking lot right here. The A over on that side. This is the B parking over here where guests and family park. And over there is the teacher parking lot right across from here. So yeah. Now I'm going to go inside the school and give you another video. Round 2. And yes, we got a brand new, this is the same as always, but they're going to repave it probably. And then yes, we got another window here, which is brand new. They try to make it look nice. Nice as possible. This is the grand.
Alex. What's up, Alex?
So yeah, this is a brand new corridor. The walls are being prepped for painting. I have no idea, just painted the walls already. Each one of these halls are painted already. Got a nice terrazzo floor down. Neutral colors. There's the library. So yeah, and it goes all the way down there. The lobby's over there. And yes, and they got new stairs too. So yes, Mitchell College is loaded. Got a new computer lab, brand new. State of the art. Visit the classroom. Got a bunch of stuff here. Brand new tables. So yeah, thank you.